Hello students, welcome once again to this channel. In this video, we are going to see the part 3 of the chapter 2 atmosphere in class 7 geography lesson. You better subscribe this channel for more and more notifications and share this to your friends so that let them also get benefited. Come on, let us move on to the questions. What is the importance of atmosphere? It has oxygen, which is essential for breathing. It protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. It helps to transmit sound waves. It shields from meteors. Next question. Explain greenhouse effect. The Earth's atmosphere traps the heat energy that comes from the sun. Thus, it prevents the Earth from becoming too cold at night. This is known as the greenhouse effect. Next one, what are greenhouse gases? There are some gases which absorb the heat energy. They maintain a livable temperature on the earth. What is meant by livable temperature? That is nothing but the temperature which is suitable for life forms to exist on earth. The next point, these gases are called the greenhouse gases. Carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, chlorofluorocarbons, methane, and water vapor are some examples of greenhouse gases. The next question is, define global warming. The increase in air temperature due to excessive concentration of greenhouse gases is called global warming. As we have learnt earlier, there are some gases which are known as greenhouse gases which trap the heat comes from the sun. So in turn, the atmospheric temperature keeps on increasing. This excessive concentration of greenhouse gases leads to increase in air temperature. On the whole, the globe, our earth gets more warmer and warmer. This is known as global warming. The next one is, what are the impacts of global warming? In other words, what are the effects of global warming? Number 1, rise in sea level. Number 2, change in agriculture. Then change in climate, shortage of fresh water, increased health risk, loss of biodiversity, increase in evaporation rate. The next one is, what are the measures or steps taken to control global warming? Use of alternative energy resources. Instead of using the conventional energy sources like coal and petroleum, it's high time we need to switch on to non-conventional energy sources like tidal energy, solar energy from the sun, etc. The next point is reducing the usage of chemical fertilizers. Nowadays, you might have heard that in many places people have changed themselves into organic farming. By means of that, they grow organic vegetables and organic fruits, etc. So, it's better we stop using chemical fertilizers. The next one is reduction in deforestation. What is meant by deforestation? Indiscriminately cutting down the trees in the forest, which leads to deforestation. that thing must be controlled or that thing must be stopped. The next one is planting more trees. Planting more and more trees by planting small saplings and growing them is a process known as afforestation. As the population in the earth grows more and more, oxygen deficiency becomes inevitable. So afforestation is the only means by which we can protect the human and other life forms. And also afforestation leads to control of global warming. The next question, how is the thickness of the ozone layer measured? The thickness of the ozone layer is measured in Dobson unit, which is abbreviated as DU. Next one, define Dobson unit. 1 DU, in other words Dobson unit, is equal to 0.01 millimeters thick compressed ozone gas around the earth at 0 degrees Celsius. It means at 0 degrees Celsius it refers to the thickness of compressed ozone gas around the earth, which is thick in 0.01 millimeters. It is measured at an atmospheric pressure of 760 millimeters of the mercury column. The next question is, explain ozone hole. If the thickness of the ozone layer in the atmosphere falls below 220 Dobson unit, then it is termed as the ozone hole. Next question, what are the benefits of ozone layer? The ozone layer absorbs the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Thus, it protects life on Earth. Next question, on what factors does the concentration of ozone in the atmosphere depend? The concentration of ozone in the atmosphere depends on three things. One is weather, the next one is altitude, in other words height of a place from sea level, and the third one is latitude. Next one, name the main pollutants responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer. Number one, chlorofluorocarbons, in other words CFCs. The second one is nitrogen oxide, which comes mostly from fertilizers. The third one is hydrocarbons from fossil fuels. With this video has come to an end. Let us meet in the next video.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thank you.